This is our 4x8 full dovetail jig. Let me show you how it works. So the log will slip inside of here, and it's got inside guide rails that are going to help line everything up. We've got springs on here that can be adjusted, and what those do is actually pop the jig back open when you're ready to either go on or come off of the log. That way you're not trying to pull it open. We put these great big beefy cast wing nuts on here so you can get really good clamping force. That way it doesn't move once it's on the log. Also, they're really handy, so if you've got a little bit thinner log or whatever, you can just give it a spin and it'll suck up really quick. You don't have to, literally turn it every single turn. We put centerline cutouts on these jigs, so if you choose to, you can actually line up the center line of your log with the jig so you know that you're perfectly centered every single time. We have stops on here for everything on the dovetail side. On this end, it's just a single cut all the way through, so there's no stops. But on the dovetail side, we've got stops all the way around. So the bar guides will engage those, and you cannot hit this jig if you're using it correctly with the chainsaw. When this goes on, the springs are holding it open, so it goes on really easy. The way we're building this cabin is I'm just resting it on the inside guide rails, and I'm gonna line up the end of the sheet metal here, this flat part here, with the end of my log, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it in place. When I'm clamping it in place, I want to just double check and make sure that about the same amount of threads are poking out from the wing nuts, top and bottom. That way I know I'm not clamped on there cockeyed. I want to make sure that I've got a good even clamp on the log. Once it's clamped in place, I'm ready to go ahead and start my cuts.